So, you probably read where we want to enforce the laws as existing. And so we signed an order a couple of weeks ago, and it was taken over by a court, originally by a judge, and then yeah, it's very sad. And you know, the reason is for protection and safety. So the statute is so plain and so clear. I said last week I was speaking to a great group of sheriffs, the sheriffs group in Washington. And I said, if you have a college education, you can understand it. If you have a high school education, you can understand it. If you were a bad student in high school, you can understand it. And I was told, I'll check, but I found it hard to believe, in an over 30-page decision by the appellate court, 3 judges, and you could tell by the way they were reacting because it was broadcast on television, and everything we do gets a lot of people watching. So you could tell by the way that phone call went, wasn't looking good. And when they wrote their decision, as I understand it, maybe I'm wrong, but they didn't write the statute that we're making the decision about. Because every word of the statute is a total kill for the other side. So I thought I'd read it. And here's what it says. This is what it says. Whenever the president finds that the entry of any aliens or any class of aliens into the United States. Okay, so essentially, whenever somebody comes into the United States, right? If it would be detrimental to the interests of the United States, okay? Now, you know the countries we're talking about. And these were countries picked by Obama. They weren't even picked. They were picked by Obama. He may, so the president may, by proclamation, and for such period as he shall deem necessary. Now, because it's old, it should have said he or she, right? They were not politically correct when they drew this. In fact, that's the only thing that was actually wrong with it.